Hey everyone, it is Kim Crumpus from the Price Action Traders Institute with another Forex Trade of the Day video. Today is Wednesday, August 14th. Before we get into the trade of the day, I want to go ahead and briefly mention our risk disclosure. Trading is a risky venture for everyone, no matter what level you're at, no matter how much money you have in your bank account, your trading account, no matter how successful or unsuccessful you are outside of trading. Bottom line is, trading's risky. You need to accept that risk before you start putting money into the market. Let's go ahead now and take a look at the trade of the day. All right, what we're looking at here is the Euro-Yen, the EJ. And this is the trade of the day. And part of the reason is because there were great setups in both London and New York. All right. EJ was ranging during the European session, started the London session. It really didn't do anything for hours. And then finally had this beautiful break, an RBO trade. The trade had a nice drop here and continued to move all the way down and then into quiet or sideways consolidation. Let's break this down by session. London session traders. A beautiful RBO trade here. The low of this candle was 67. Sell the break at 67. Take it down to 50, which is our first price target, which was right here. Would have been a 17 pip trade. If you would have held on to that trade and locked in some profits, you would have taken it down to the next price level down at the 20. And that would have been a 47 pip trade for London session traders. Beautiful move through two price levels. I love those trades. New York session traders come online and they have opportunities here. They have one here and also here. These are pullback entries. We have a clear directional move at this point. We are ready to get into the market and looking for the New York Open. Let's take the lowest point, which would have been right here. This next candle here at 45, short at 45, down into the 20. That would have been what? A 25 pip trade, right? Beautiful, into the first price target. We had this laid out during our planning session this morning. We also put in a target down at 0.0 if the market kept moving, which it did, and you would have had to lock this trade down in order to stay in this, and that would have produced a 45 pip trade. But wait, there's more. If you had stayed into this all the way down into our next price target, which was down at the 80, this would have been a 65 pip trade. This was a beautiful trade for New York session traders, and it was also a beautiful trade for London session traders. Both trades in both sessions going through two price levels. It doesn't get much better than that. All right. That's why I picked the Euro-Yen as our trade of the day. Let's go ahead and just briefly talk about our guidelines. At the Price Action Traders Institute, we have planning process set up during the London session and the New York session. Kevin does them for the London session. He's on Wednesday mornings and Thursday mornings, and I do the New York trade planning process on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Our planning process takes you through 10 pairs, and you get to see exactly where the setups are and what we're looking for. So we take you through the process, we help you identify the setups, and now it's up to each one of us to choose which pair or pairs we actually want to trade during the session. The more experienced you are, you might trade more trades. The less experienced, you'll maybe start out with one or two trades. And then, of course, each one of us has to execute on our plan. All right? Those are the trading guidelines, very simple. And of course, you can always email me with any questions at info@priceactiontradersinstitute.com. You can also visit our website. There's a lot of free videos on there at priceactiontradersinstitute.com, or follow me on Twitter. I'm live in the market every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday mornings at Price Action Kim. I want to thank you for listening. I hope this helps you in your trading. And maybe if you're not a current PADI member, we might see you sometime in the future. All right. Thanks a lot.